Inside, you'll find direct technology transfer from Audi's new A8 in this all-digital operating system, and it's got this wonderful positive touch technology, swiping and scrolling exactly as you're used to on your laptop or on your smartphone. So before you even step into the car, this whole intuitive system works exactly as you expect it to.
All of the engine variants in the new A7 are equipped with mild hybrid technology. The car recovers energy when braking and charges the batteries. Take your foot off the accelerator between 55 and 160 kilometers per hour, and the A7 coasts with the engine switched off to improve efficiency.
The A7 is the best of all worlds. You get this stunning coupe body, as much space inside as a four-door sedan, and as much room as an Avant. Now, you could pretty much spend your entire weekend filling it with rubbish from the garden, but who wants to do that? There's always something more entertaining to do. Well, you're going to pay for this svelte coupe roofline somewhere, aren't you? And that's in the back seat, right? No, not at all. I'm 6'6". Take a look at this. Legroom and headroom to spare. This is gorgeous.
The new generation of the Audi A7 is brimming with technology highlights. Another detail is the 3D view of the car itself. Exiting a parking space has never been so easy.
The new A7 is absolutely jammed with technology taken from the Audi A8 and loads of lovely touches. But for me, the standout feature is the design. And don't forget, you can find everything you need to know about the brand new Audi A7. Just go to Audi Media TV.